I want to do a quick video about getting rid of lint and dust on clothing. That's the before, this is the after. So this has not been edited at all, but you can see all these little bits here. It's just a very quick and easy way to do it. So duplicate your layer and then go up to filter, noise, dust and scratches. Bring everything to 0. And you'll get the hang of this after you use it a few times, but just click up here on radius until the dust, this works on flakes on skin too, until they disappear. And you'll see the fabric will get really blurry. That's fine. Sometimes it takes a second, like that. And go back down. Be a little slow sometimes. I think I can go down one more. Generally, I try to do the lowest radius that I can. I still see 1 there, so I'm going to go back up 1. Actually, I might go back up to 7. And then what you use the threshold for is to get the texture back. So I'm going to bring it way up. And I still don't see those pieces of lint. Let me just turn the preview off. So I turn the preview off and on to see how much it changes the texture of the fabric. And it's pretty slight. So that's, and I don't mind it. I actually don't mind losing that little bit of shine on there. So let's leave it at that. You play around with the threshold once you've gotten the radius where it should be. Hit OK. And then you want to option click the mask. You basically want a black mask so that nothing is showing from what you just created. Click on the black mask area. Make your foreground color white. Grab a brush. I set mine to 100% because if you do these settings correctly, it's fine. And just, I use a brush, so I have to put some pressure on here. Just brush them away. One thing you have to watch for is if part of your fabric is out of focus, but look how easy that is. A little bit there. All right, so that's before and that's after.